Hey everyone, I think it's a full moon, almost. But you know, they say when it's a half moon we got rain. I know we could sure use some here in South Texas. It's a little hot. So, last couple of days I've piddled here and there on the car. I haven't done a lot. The heat has really kicked my behind, and this is what I've gotten done so far. Radiator support on. I've got it gapped where I think it should be. The bumper is just sitting on there with jacks. I'm going to be taking that whole bumper completely apart and completely restoring it, buffing it, and I have one piece that I'm waiting on right there to come in so I can replace the top. I'm still working a little bit on the gapping on the fenders. It's getting there. I'm also having a little bit of trouble with the hood because in the very back, up against the firewall, it kind of sticks up just a hair, but I think I have an idea to modify it just a smidge so that hood will sit nice and flat. I mean, it closes really good, and it looks centered. So, as far as the car going from the... Oh, the light went out. All right, so I'm going to have to put that on charge later. But the last thing that I'm having to convert over to get the completion of the 62 to 59 are the doors. As you can see on the doors, of course, that one's got a really big whammo in it. It has the V in it, and of course, that did not come on the 62. But a few years ago, a few years ago, probably about 7, 8, 9 years ago, I had another car that I was trying to turn into Ecto, which had a lot more problems than this one. It was a 61. And I just so happened to save the doors off the front. So now, of course, there's a few details, as you can see on the Miller-Meteor. Right up through here, how the edge of the door. And of course this top up here. So all I'm going to do is take that door, set it inside, take it completely apart, take my doors off, and just take the whole frame off the door of the top and just swap them out and put those doors onto this car, which is going to save me a ton of time. I don't have to weld or do body work to the doors. It's on this car. Now, I didn't save the doors off the other one because they opened kind of like... they were kind of suicide doors where the door opened like the Afterlife car. Kind of kicked myself in behind not keeping them, but they went to another car and helped save another hearse. So I plan to get started on the doors this weekend so I can get them on the car, finish up this rest of this week trying to get the front end tightened up, and continue to work on other little things and a few surprises I have for this car. So make sure to follow and check out my other videos and like this one.